मुझे भरोसा है तुम कर लोगे। I trust you can do it. I trust you can do it. अब बस करो। Stop it now. Stop it now. मैं संभाल लूँगा। I will manage. I will manage. मुझे यह समझाओ। Explain this to me. Explain this to me. वापस आ जाना। Come back again. Come back again. मुझे अब जाना चाहिए। I should go now. I should go now. मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. यह सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? मुझे अकेला रहने दो। Let me be alone. Let me be alone. सब्र करो। Have patience. Have patience. समय बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste time. Don't waste time. सब भगवान पर छोड़ दो। Leave everything to God. Leave everything to God. हिम्मत मत हारो। Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. मुझे पछतावा हो रहा है। I am feeling guilty. I am feeling guilty. यह तुम्हारी मर्जी है। It's up to you. It's up to you. जैसा तुम्हें ठीक लगे। As you wish. As you wish. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। I am with you. I am with you. सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है। Everything is going fine. Everything is going fine. मुझे जल्दी समझ आ गया। I understood quickly. I understood quickly. मुझे शक हो रहा है। I am getting doubtful. I am getting doubtful. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। Something is wrong. Something is wrong. मुझे राहत मिली। I got relief. I got relief. मुझे डर सा लग रहा है। I feel a bit scared. I feel a bit scared. मुझे कुछ अजीब लग रहा है। I feel something strange. I feel something strange. मुझे भीड़ पसंद नहीं। I don't like crowds. I don't like crowds. मुझे अकेलापन अच्छा लगता है। I like being alone. I like being alone. यह मेरी आदत है। It's my habit. It's my habit. यह इतना ज़रूरी नहीं है। It's not that important. It's not that important. मुझे भरोसा हो गया। I am convinced now. I am convinced now. अब देर मत करो। Don't delay now. Don't delay now. मुझे समझने में समय लगेगा। It will take time to understand. It will take time to understand. मुझे आदत डालनी पड़ेगी। I will have to get used to it. I will have to get used to it. कितना बज गया है? What time is it? What time is it? अभी तक तैयार नहीं हुई। Not ready yet. Not ready yet. जल्दी करो, देर हो रही है। Hurry up, we are getting late. Hurry up, we are getting late. नाश्ता बना या नहीं? Is breakfast ready or not? Is breakfast ready or not? मोज़े कहाँ हैं? Where are my socks? Where are my socks? टिफ़िन रख दिया क्या? Did you pack the tiffin? Did you pack the tiffin? आज सब कुछ उल्टा हो रहा है। Everything is going wrong today. Everything is going wrong today. चाबी मिल नहीं रही। Can't find the keys. Can't find the keys. अब यही बचा था. This was all that was left. This was all that was left. चलो जैसे तैसे निकलो. Just leave somehow. Just leave somehow. रुको रुको. Wait, wait. Wait, wait. दरवाज़ा बंद किया? Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? आज सच में भाग दौड़ है. It's real chaos today. It's real chaos today. अब लेट हो गए. Now we were late. Now we are late. अरे मेहमान आ रहे हैं. Oh, guests are coming. Guests are coming. इतनी जल्दी कैसे? How soon? How soon? जल्दी जल्दी साफ करो. Clean up fast. Clean up fast. घर की हालत देखी है? Have you seen the house? Have you seen the house? सब छुपा दो. Hide everything. Hide everything. सोफ़ा ठीक कर दो. Fix the sofa. Fix the sofa. Cushion सीधे रखो. Straighten the cushions. Straighten the cushions. चाय रखो जल्दी. Put the tea on quick. Put the tea on quick. बिस्किट है क्या? Do we have biscuits? Do we have biscuits? कुछ भी ले आओ. Bring anything. Bring anything. अभी ही आ जाएंगे. They will be here any moment. They will be here any moment. दरवाज़े की घंटी बजेगी. The doorbell will ring. The doorbell will ring. मुस्कुरा कर मिलना. Greet them with a smile. Greet them with a smile. थकान बाद में निकालेंगे. We will relax later. We will relax later. चलो संभाल लेंगे. Come on, we will manage. Come on, we will manage. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मैं अभी निकल रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I will be back in a while. I will be back in a while. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. रुक जाओ ज़रा. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे देर हो जाएगी. I will be late. I will be late. फ़ोन मत काटो. Don't hang up. Don't hang up. अभी कॉल नहीं कर सकता. I can't call right now. I can't call right now. बाद में बात करते हैं. Let's talk later. Let's talk later. जल्दी आओ. Come quickly. Come quickly. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. There is no hurry. There is no hurry. समझ आ गया? Got it. Got it. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. I am trying. I am trying. ये सही नहीं है. This isn't right. This isn't right. मुझे यह चाहिए. I need this. I need this. मुझे यह नहीं चाहिए. I don't need this. I don't need this. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. आज मौसम अच्छा है. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. थोड़ा आराम कर लो. Take a little rest. Take a little rest. ध्यान रखो. Take care. Take care. मुझे याद है. I remember. I remember. मैं भूल गया. I forgot. I forgot. ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? मुझे भरोसा है. I trust you. I trust you. सब हो जाएगा. Everything will be done. Everything will be done. ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. मैं अभी थोड़ा बिजी हूँ. I am a bit busy right now. I am a bit busy right now. अभी मुझे ठीक से समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand it properly yet. I didn't understand it properly yet. थोड़ा वेट करो, मैं बता देता हूँ. Wait a bit, I will tell you. Wait a bit, I will tell you. मुझे लगता है इसमें टाइम लगेगा. I think this will take some time. I think this will take some time. अभी मेरा मन नहीं है. I don't feel like it right now. I don't feel like it right now. चलो पहले चाय पी लेते हैं. Let's have a tea first. Let's have a tea first. मैंने कोशिश की पर नहीं हो पाया. I tried but it did not work. I tried but it did not work. अभी इस बारे में मत सोचो. Don't think about this right now. Don't think about this right now. मुझे ये तरीका ठीक लग रहा है. This way feels okay to me. This way feels okay to me. थोड़ा आराम कर लो. Take some rest. Take some rest. मुझे थोड़ी देर अकेला रहने दो. Let me be alone for a while. Let me be alone for a while. अभी जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to rush right now. There is no need to rush right now. मुझे लगा तुम आ जाओगे. I thought you would come. I thought you would come. चलो देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. अभी सब क्लियर नहीं है. Everything isn't clear yet. Everything isn't clear yet. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. I didn't pay attention. I didn't pay attention. यह बात बाद में करेंगे. We will talk about this later. We will talk about this later. मुझे खुद भी सरप्राइज हुआ. I was surprised. I was surprised. थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. We will manage somehow. We will manage somehow. अभी यही बेस्ट है. This is the best for now. This is the best for now. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. I can't remember. I can't remember. चलो इसे सिंपल रखते हैं. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. मुझे इस पर भरोसा है. I trust this. I trust this. अभी मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ. I am not free right now. I am not free right now. थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा. It will take some time. It will take some time. मैं समझ रहा हूँ तुम्हारी बात. I understand what you are saying. I understand what you are saying. चलो अब निकलते हैं. Let's head out now. Let's head out now. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.